And Noah's on his daddy's lap.
He's looking at my pocket.
I'm waiting for you to do the...
Oh. Hey, Noah? Noah, you want to go up again? No. What do you think? This is tough. I gotta move. Mommy's recording, son. You ready? Ready?
No! There's your little tail. Noah loves it. Look at that. He loves it. He loves it. He loves flying.
Good boy.
What a circus dog he is. Neil doesn't like him at all. Can you tell? What a cutie.
Good boy.
Whoop, another hand pops up. Could that be Ross? It's Ross. Noah Balboa.
Inspired by perfection.
Before I discovered that comfort and style could come in the same pair of shoes.
Let me call him and get him to look at me.
I can't either.
Noah. Noah, look. Where's your mommy? Hi, honey. Okay.